In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Fitness Buddy app. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking for a reliable app to keep your workouts organized, I've got you covered. We'll walk through each step, making sure nothing is left to chance. So by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to start using Fitness Buddy and enjoy all its features. To kick things off, grab your phone or your PC, whichever you're most comfortable with at the moment, and let's head over to your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. In the search bar, type in Fitness Buddy app and hit enter. This initial search will bring up a variety of links and resources related to the app. What we're focusing on though is finding the correct download link directly from the App Store that's appropriate for your device. Once you see the search results, you'll notice options for both the Google Play Store and the App Store. These are the official platforms where you can safely download apps for your Android or iOS devices respectively. Now, because we're on a PC right now, this is just to show you the path to follow on your mobile device. If you're using an Android phone, you'll click on the link that takes you to the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, you'll want to click on the link directing you to the App Store. Make a quick note of the app icon to make sure it matches the official one, ensuring you're getting the right app and not a knockoff. If by any chance you're viewing this on your mobile device right now, and you've clicked on the link, you should be able to see the app's page on your screen. Here, you'll notice a button to install, usually prominently displayed. For those using Android, you'll see a install button, and for iOS users, it's a get button. Tapping on it will initiate the download process. It's as simple as that. You can see the progress of the download on your screen, and it usually doesn't take more than a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you can open the app directly from the store, or you can find it on your home screen among your other apps. Once you open it, there might be a few quick setup instructions to follow, such as signing up or logging in, but these steps will vary slightly depending on any updates the app developer might have rolled out. And there you go. With those easy steps, you now have the Fitness Buddy app ready to help guide you in your fitness routine. Enjoy exploring all it has to offer, and happy exercising!